Hey everyone, if you're watching this video, that means you're probably interested in becoming an owner-operator with your very own truck, one of these right over here, and you want to know exactly what are the perks if I do decide to make that decision. So becoming an owner-operator is definitely a really cool thing to do. Right? So there's three main categories that you can kind of play at when it comes to how to make money in the CDL game. Way number one is going to be a company driver. We have other videos on this channel that talk about all the perks about being a company driver. Way number two is what we're going to be talking about today, which is going to be how to become an owner-operator and what are the perks there. And way number three is one level above that, which is how to become a carrier and actually what are the perks for that as well. So when it comes to being an owner-operator, let's talk about the perks. Perk number one is going to be you can choose where you want to go and when you want to go. As a company driver, you're actually just an employee of a company, which means the company is going to tell you, okay, today you're here, tomorrow you're going to be over there. You're going to go to California, Texas, Arkansas, North Dakota, but it's cold, I don't want to go to North Dakota. Hey, you're an employee, if I tell you to go there, you better go there, or else you're not listening to what we're asking you to do, and you're done. As an owner-operator, you have the ability to actually choose wherever you want to go. So an owner-operator, you're going to own your own truck, and most of the time you're working under a carrier. Even though you're working under a carrier, you're considered an independent contractor, which means they cannot legally mandate you which way to go. Now, of course, you're dealing with humans. So that being said, if they're finding you loads and all of a sudden you're saying, no, I'm not going there, no, I'm not going there, no, I'm not going there, then they're just going to stop working with you. So there is a balance out there, but you do have the ability to say, yes, I'll go to Alaska because I want to be an ice road trucker, or no, I'm going to Florida because it's cold outside and I want to go travel someplace warm. Because it is your truck, because you're an owner-operator, you have that perk, which is an amazing perk to have. Perk number two is going to be the income that you can make. So as you go up in level, when it comes to driver, owner-operator, and carrier, the potential of making more money is also there as well. Now remember, I said potential. There's no guarantee. There's guys who are carriers who lose money every single year simply because they're bad business people, right? But as you become more responsible for your things, for your repairs, your fuel, your truck, you actually have the ability to take on the responsibility and hold much more of the profit as long as you're hustling and as long as you're moving forward. And that's why the second perk of being an owner-operator is you have the ability to make more money than a company driver. Now you are taking on more responsibility, but if you know what you're doing and if you are somebody who's able to take that responsibility, you can walk away with a whole lot more in your pocket right then and there. And the third and most important thing in my point about being an owner-operator is you control your entire future. So being a company driver, like I said, you can't tell, you don't know where you're going to go, you don't know what the loads are going to be or anything like that. As an owner-operator, you have more control of what your destiny is going to look like. So depending on how much money you want to make, you can actually say, okay, I'm chill, I don't want to work that hard, I'm also not interested in making that much money. Once I get to a certain amount of money for the year, I'm going to take the rest of the year off. So you can work your ass off for 6 months, 3 months, 4 months, whatever it is, make the money that you want, take the rest of the year off if that's something that you want to do. As a company driver, you really don't have the freedom to do that. On the opposite side, you can say, okay, no, I want to make X amount of dollars every year. Okay, great. You can decide to work your ass off to get that done. So when it comes to that, you do have to understand that you get to decide entirely your future. Now that is super empowering, but that can be super scary, which means if things do not go right as you are planning them, you are the only one to blame. No matter what position that you're in, at the end of the day, you are in control of your future. You get to decide what happens to you, but you are super in control of your future once you get into that owner-operator role, which can be scary or can be empowering depending on how you look at it. So if being an owner-operator is one of your dreams, one of your goals, maybe you have an uncle, cousin, or friend who is making a ton of money driving a tractor-trailer, maybe this is something that you've been thinking about for a while, I definitely invite you to give us a call at 908-525-3609 or check out our website at CDLDrivingAcademy.com. Here we help thousands of students get themselves on the road to freedom by helping them get a CDL license. And we can help you get your CDL license, and we can even help you out becoming an owner-operator with an owner-operator program. So all you got to do is give us a call at 908-525-3609 or check out our website at CDLDrivingAcademy.com. Again, CDLDrivingAcademy.com. Thanks. Have a great day. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, Here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.